Okay, okay, okay.
And how much getting salary every month?
6,000.
Okay, and did you take any credit card, any bank loan from any bank side?
Yeah,
Credit card or loan?
credit card.
Which bank you have a credit card?
You can check, na? You have details, sir.
Baby, we
I am
gonna
not
know
your.
each and every
I
person
am not your
because we
Habibi.
want to neat and clean our country from the crime, from the crime, money laundering, drug crime, from the direct illegal transaction. That's how we are calling you, okay? This is an investigation, okay?
Which country are you talking from? Which country are you talking from? Any other? You calling from? अरे फेक क्राइम वाले